Okay, let me see if I can flip this. Oh, there we go. Y'all stay tuned. Let me see. Don't mind the cracked screen. It's all good though. It still work. But yeah, y'all stay tuned though. So, let me see if I can. Yeah, that's gonna be hard. You don't know what I'm working on? Wanna know what I'm working on? It's a mask, a custom mask. It's hard. This is good enough. I think that's about good enough. I can work with that. I don't know if I really like this. I think I could do a little bit better. Let's see. And go back. Alright, I'm gonna go back and see if I can do it again. I might have to move it over just a little bit like that there. And then no, I don't what a crease in my lips. I ain't got no crease or nothing. I need both hands. I'll be back, y'all. Alright, let's see here. Alright. Right in here. A little bit more. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. I think I got the eye. It's gonna be like a Joker type mask. You feel me? Yeah. Okay. Then the center. I'm gonna cut this symmetry off. And then I want to be like this. I gotta make it like that. Oh, yeah. Okay. What it look like, y'all? Let's see what it look like. Yeah. So let me redo that nose part over. Oh shit. God dang it. God dug it. Ah shoot. Man, I knew I should have just did it while I was off the phone. Man, it'll be hard getting it where I want it. Dang it. That still ain't right. It's still not right all the way. Dang. Okay, let me see. Maybe that'll work. Let's see what it look like. I don't know. It's too big of a hole. Huh? Okay. Let me see. Oops. Okay. No. No. Uh, yeah. Oh, I think. Damn. Okay. Okay, let's see what's going on. Alright. Oh, okay. Hmm. Now it's time to get to doing designs on it. Man, truthfully, I don't know about this part right here. That look hella thin. I'm still gonna mess with it though. I'm gonna figure something out. Cause that part on this side ain't that thin. I don't know how that's gonna come out when I print it. I guess it. Alright, let's see. It's looking like I can do a little something to even it out. Maybe I cut that out right there. Dang, I think I cut too much. Man, I'm messing it up now, man. Yeah. And then I want to cut that middle piece out. All right, let's go back. I want to cut that piece out. Okay. All right, now, oh, that's straight. Okay, put some little scraps on there. Let me see. Yeah, that's straight. This mask right here is my first trial mask, so it's gonna be alright. It's got some imperfections, and that's cool. I'm cool with that. And I'm trying to see if I can do some modeling going on, put some details, you know. Put some details, some modeling around the mouth part. How it look on the side. Got it. I wonder how these knots gonna come up. These little bitty bruises and nicks. Little nicks I put into it. I ain't do it too hard. Let's see if I can add something right here. Got a clay. What did that do? Oh, that look like that. Toe it up. Can't use that. Ooh. Yes, sir, baby. That mother look like it's gonna be ready. Let me see. How I want to set that thing up. What color should I do the mask? Should I do it dark green? Solid black? Clear blue? Or clear green? Okay. So it's gonna look. It's pretty good. And how many hours it's gonna take? I don't know yet. But I'll let y'all know. Okay. And this is the mask file. It's touchscreen. Phantom Mono 6K. Let's see. All right. It's looking good. Let's see. Oh, it's starting. Everything tight. Everything seems tight. Watch it go down. How long it's gonna take? It says about 2 hours. Oh no, I'm gonna get 800 tons. We'll see. 800 tons layers, 852 layers on layer 2 already. I ain't do it fast enough. I'm talking about how long it takes. Don't stay too long. After all that hard work, what do you think? Didn't catch all the detail, and didn't be the size I wanted it, but it still feels quite durable. Some support pieces was on there that didn't need to be, but it's all good. I'm gonna fix it and try it again. It's just the first prototype, but I like this little mask. It's pretty cool. It's a good thickness too. And it's getting harder and harder as it dries.